we are going to show you how to book online flight, and during the flight, we are going also to show you problems happening inside the flight. We will provide the solutions and steps for that. Our first scenario, Ms. Raquel Evangelista will teach you how to book online flight. And now, let's get started.
Good morning, ma'am. I am going to show you how to book in a flight in just a simple step. Step 1. Open your browser and go to the flight booking website such as booking.com. Step 2. Enter your departure city, destination, travel dates, and the number of passengers. Step 3. Browse through the available flights and select the one of the best fits your schedule and budget. Step 4. Enter your personal details, including your name, contact information, and payment details. Step 5. Review your booking details one last time to make sure everything is correct. Step 6. Congratulations! You have successfully booked your flight. You should receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details of your trip. Good morning, ma'am. We have here a special promotion, budget accommodation in Boracay Island plus Island Hopping. This has 20% discount in every activities, include the budget accommodation, environment fees, terminal fees, and island hopping with lunch. Here, ma'am.
What are those activities?
Some activities are scuba diving, skating, and banana boat.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day.
Our second scenario will be inside the airplane. Ms. Diego and Ms. Abalos will perform the safety demonstration inside the airplane.
At this moment, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp object from your body. Don't slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push into buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tabs to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tube. Blow to increase air and push pin inward to release air. Light automatically illuminate once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the light that will lead you to the exit. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit sign found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you.
Our third scenario will be Mr. Amanga will play as pilot. The mother will be Miss Arches, and Miss Tawagon will have the business meeting, which is interrupted by the crying baby. How will they perform and what will we do to solve the problem? Let us all watch as they perform and show the problems and solutions.
Excuse me, please stop the baby crying. Excuse me, please stop the baby crying. I'm busy. Excuse me, but can someone look at that baby's screen? Why does it not want to pass? I can even like hear myself crying.
your frustration. It can be difficult when the baby is not on flight. Let me see if I can help.
Please, can you talk this person?
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me for a moment. Hello, ma'am. I am Jenny. I understand your baby is having a difficult time. Is there anything I can do to help?
Thank you. It's been full all day, and the kids never isn't helping. I tried everything, feeding, changing, rocking, but nothing seems to work.
I can imagine, ma'am. It's how often they're feeling well. Would you like to have some water or juice and perhaps a bottle of water for exam?
That will be wonderful. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. I'll be back for your assessment. Excuse me. Here's a bottle of water for exam, ma'am. Thank you. Would you like me to try offering a blanket? It's available on the galley. Here's the blanket. Thank you. I hope you really want to feel better soon. Please let me know if there is anything you can help. Excuse me for a while. Hello, ma'am. I offer some assistance to your family. Hopefully, the baby will settle down soon. Would you like to try some noise canceling earbuds? We have some available for rooms.
Well, that's very kind of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good luck. Here's your earbuds, ma'am, and hopefully you feel better now. Is there anything else I can do?
Thank you for your understanding and help. I appreciate it.
Thank you, ma'am. You're welcome, ma'am. We're here to help make the experience as comfortable as possible with everyone.
Okay.